see the scars in me. A broken vessel will I ever be. Who would pick a broken last? I will, my child, I heard at last. Oh, child, listen, I love you so. That's why sometimes I do tell you no. Break your heart so you could hear all the warning call that Satan's near. Oh, there is beauty in our brokenness, so trust Him as He mold your pieces. A perfect plan I have for you. Our scars and pain have different views. I could not understand your way. Remove these thorns are the words that I said. But in Thee there's no delay, and in troubles You take me away. Thank You, Lord, for breaking me. Your love is what all my heart did see. Broken vessel in Thine hand. Oh, but find me whole, by grace now stand. Oh, there is beauty in our brokenness, so trust Him as He mold your pieces. A perfect plan I have for you. Our scars